Hi guys, this is Sanjay. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this paper watch. You can tie it on your wrist by just keeping it, and on the behind, you have to just put this one inside the other to wear this watch. Now, before we get started, if you're new here, I upload videos on crafts, drawing, cooking and many more. So please press the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so that you don't miss any of the videos. Now, let's start doing the paper watch. So first you have to take a square paper. I am taking 20 into 20 centimeter square paper. You can take this one, or if you want a bigger watch, you can take a bigger square paper. So first fold along this dotted line. Then open it again. Then fold from here to here. Now open it again. Fold from here to here. Then even on this side. Now fold from here to this line. Even on this side. Now fold from here to here. Now fold over here. Even on this side. Then open it again and turn it towards the other side and fold it like this again. Now open this one. Now you can see a X mark. So just fold along this X mark first. Then open it and do this on this side. Fold this down like this and then press this one. So now you'll get this shape. Now fold along this dotted line. Even on this side. And do the same even on the other side. Now open this one. You will have this shape. So over here, just first press this down to get a square shape. Then fold over here. And on this side also. Then over here. then over here also. Now this part, just fold it like this. And even on this side. So now this is ready. Then you can just draw a clock dial like this and then stick it over here using any glue or fevistick. Now I have sticked the dial to the watch I have made. Now you can tie it to your wrist by just keeping it over here, and then behind you have to just put this one inside the other to tie it like this. So now your paper watch is ready. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if you enjoyed the video, leave a comment about this craft, and share this video to whoever likes to do crafts. If you are new here, I upload videos on crafts, drawing, cooking and many more. So please press the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so that you don't miss any of the videos. Thank you.